How to transfer money from Acorns to bank. Acorns is a financial technology and investment app designed to help people save and invest money effortlessly. In order to withdraw money from Acorns, you have to go to Acorns website or Acorns application. Now open your application. Enter your PIN number. Scroll down and click on Bank. Click on Transfer Out to withdraw money. Once you've arrived at this screen, just enter the amount that you would like to withdraw from your Acorns account. If you have linked bank accounts, just click right below the amount and you'll have the option to change which bank account you want this money to go to. Once you're ready, click on Next. Then Acorns is going to confirm, is this what you want? Once you're ready, click on Confirm. Then you'll get this notification from Acorns saying that the withdrawal is in process. It generally takes 1 to 3 business days. That's it. Thanks for watching.